These are my collection. I picked this one for today's project because I like the shape of the wire. It is thick and bold. I called it Monster Slingshot. After cleaned up and sanded, I need a half-inch groove for my rubber band. I borrowed these gloves to protect my hands. It's supposed to be cut-proof. I use wood carving chisel and knife to make it concave. This part needs a little patience to do that. You got an idea. I make it fast. Final sand it to make it smooth. That's it. The body of the monster. I need to drill 2 holes for the cable tie. I use a small drill bit to pre-drill the hole. Then I use the drill bit match the size of the cable tie. Make sure the cable tie will go through. Perfect. Then I use linseed oil to protect the wood. These elastic bands was used for my blood test, tied around my arm. Took so many years to save them, enough for me to make more slingshots. I only need one for 1 slingshot. Now it's about a half-inch wide. This belt was from my old duffel bag. I use it for my ammo pouch. That will do it. Same thing on the other side. It's pretty straightforward, so I don't need to talk. I use super glue. Put on just a knot, not rubber band, to prevent it loose. This part is done. Finally, we're gonna put them together. The cable tie just to hold the rubber band. Don't need to be super tight. That's it. My monster slingshot. Join to the family of my other slingshots, which made the same way. Thank you for watching.